The camera's showing you a great collection of coffee shops available here in Sanur. Not sure if any of you are familiar with the coffee shops featured in today's video. Then if you are, please drop a comment in the comments section down below and give me your thoughts. There's the big KOPI Barley sign. Side also. Will you look at this? Grocer, and let's take you inside. Some coffees for sale also in this place called the Patio Coffee and Comfort Food. You can see it's quite busy in here. Okay, so this is the outside seating area by the roadside. And we also have some smoothies. Beautiful seating over here looking out to the bypass. This is the Bare Bottle Sanur. Good morning. So the sun is shining. It's another beautiful day here in Sanur, Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a wonderful collection of coffee shops here in Sanur. So Bali has a great collection of coffees available, also many different varieties of coffee available here. So in today's video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you and share with you some coffee shops here in Sanur. So the collection of coffee shops that are going to be featured in today's video, they're not really on the main central street of Jalan, Danau that runs through central Sanur. They're in areas of Sanur that are a little less frequented by travellers, and however in today's video I'm going to share some magnificent, wonderful coffee shops with you. So the collection of coffee shops that are going to be featured in today's video are going to be on the streets of Jalan, Cemara, Jalan, Poso, and also out on the bypass Ngurah. Okay, so this is KOPI Barley House. This is the biggest coffee shop here in Sanur. Okay, so we'll just make our way in through the door. There's the big KOPI Barley sign. Paintings on the wall in here. It's that restaurant here. Just continuing walking up now. Beautiful barista seating here. Beautiful paintings on the wall. There's a counter right in the centre. Just continuing walking up to the back here. There's a collection of chairs. Beautiful decoration on the walls here. Back here we have two of these nice, beautiful, unique motorbikes. So just down here now, we also have another area inside here. So as we step foot inside, oh la la, will you take a look at that light fitting? And we have some people, customers already in here. A nice purple sofa, coffee table, beautiful decoration on the wall. Really unique artwork in here all around the place. Up here, we'll take you and show you upstairs. As I said, this is Sanur's biggest coffee house. So this is a view of the whole area from a distance here. It's like a gallery. You have a bench through the centre there, and then we have some metal stool type seats. Another area here that you can go and sit inside also. Oh la la, will you look at this? Wow. continuation with all the artwork on the walls. So beautiful. This is a place called Gecko Coffee House on Jalan, Danau, Poso. Coffee and breakfast. Just show you some of what's available. It's the coffees. It's a collection of teas also. Breakfast. We also have some smoothies. Okay, so this is the outside seating area by the roadside. Love coffee, love Gecko. Nice style seating. Inside the coffee shop now, so just by the side here we have a nice seating area, a world map on the wall, and then just to the back there is your counter. Also have an upstairs seating area here at Gecko. So as we step foot inside here we have another nice seating area. Just in the back here we have another seating area. Next place is a place called the Island Grocer. This is a brand new coffee shop here on Jalan, Danau, Poso. This is the main street of Jalan, Danau, Poso. This is the name here, the Island Grocer. Just as we step foot inside, we have a beautiful seating area. Two customers have just left this place. A beautiful water fountain in the middle there. There's one of the counters to the side. We have some beautiful decoration on the wall, fans all around, beautiful seating. And let's take you around and show you inside. Step foot inside, here's the main counter area. Just in the side here, some beautiful big glassouts available. Some teas available to buy here up on the top. Unique flavours. Along the side we have a nice collection of natural products available to buy, shampoos, conditioners. Ooh la la, beautiful collection. Some coffees for sale also in this place. So many different things, some jams. Just to the side here we have some granola packages, different granolas available. Some other snacks also and treats. Just a great collection. And then the Island Grocer is connected with the Hive, which is a restaurant. Okay, so this is a place out on the Ngurah bypass again. This is an absolutely fabulous place. This is a coffee shop and a restaurant right out here on the bypass opposite the Grand Palace Hotel. We'll take you around and show you inside. So you can see you have a huge car parking area here. And we'll just take you in and show you around the coffee shop. This is the entrance here. We have some funky motorbikes here just by the doorway. Ooh la la. We have a seating area here by the car parking area. Very beautiful. this door's to the restaurant. However, today's video is about coffee shops, so we take you inside the coffee shop first. It's very unique lighting on the wall. Beautiful collection of tables and chairs in here. It's a very, very good place this. As we're sitting looking back out to the car parking area. There's your counter in the back here. There's sitting also below. This is a very unique collection of items inside also. Some coffee pots and things for sale here. There's also some beauty products, unique ornaments. Very unique. And now we're back at the main entrance, coming into the restaurant area. We'll just give you a brief look as we come inside here. This is what greets you. Volkswagen vehicle. You can see it's quite busy in here. Big seating area all around. So the next place we have is a place called Milestone Coffee Lounge. This is out on the Nugan bypass. That's the name. 2 stories. I'll take you around and show you inside. So sitting here by the roadside. Just take you inside the coffee shop. So on the left hand side there is a main counter area. We have some seating on the opposite side. So great lighting, air conditioned in here. What you have, healthy menu, so they've got some protein smoothies available here. Some other cakes and sweets available. Breakfast menu. Some burgers also available. And here's a collection of sandwiches. This place also has an upstairs. So this is the upstairs area. This is like a co-working area. You can see people already on the laptops. Nice collection of wooden tables and chairs. Some music playing there. Some old LPs. Milestone is over in the corner there, and then just on the opposite corner we have a place called Simply Brew. So Simply Brew, just before we take you inside, it has a beautiful outside seating area here under cover. Nice beautiful decoration there on the wall, some wooden tables, metal chairs, fans around also. Take you inside the coffee shop now. So as you step foot inside the coffee shop, the left hand side we have some stool type seating with bench style tables. Just to the side there is a coffee counter. There's a beautiful machine here at the back for bagging the coffee. Just inside here we also have an upstairs area. Just as we step foot upstairs here, the girls just clearing the tables, some customers have just left. Nice lighting up here, very decorative, some great decoration, also all around. Some beautiful seating over here, looking out to the bypass. And this is like a co-working area. Just here we have a place called the Patio Coffee and Comfort Food. So as you theme on the floor. We have a nice collection of wooden tables and chairs here in the open. And we just take you around inside. Some beautiful light fittings, decoration up above, nice collection of wooden tables and chairs in here, beautiful decoration on the wall, counter in the back there. And then just to the side here we have another little seating area. Nice light fittings again. So the next place, this is on Jalan, Cemara. This is the Bare Bottle Sanur. This is the street view on Cemara. Motto here is coffee first, party later. Instagram at the Bare Bottle. Name on the door. And as we step foot inside, there's the counter area in the back here. Okay, so that concludes today's video. The camera's shown you a great collection of coffee shops available here in Sanur. Not sure if any of you are familiar with the coffee shops featured in today's video. Then if you are, please drop a comment in the comments section down below and give me your thoughts. Also, if you can recommend any other additional coffee shops here in Sanur, also add those to the comments. And on that note, hope you've enjoyed today's video. Hope some of you find this video useful and maybe consider trying the coffee shops featured in today's video. And I shall say bye for now.